So, would you like to explain to me why you're in here and not out there?
You've made a fool of me. You're lucky I don't kill your ears off and send them to your mother.
So, in an effort to destroy my premiere, you're not taking part in our press stunt. You've broken your contract and you left the studio. Did I get that right?
You're insane! How dare you? They have to lock you up. I'm a professional!
Oh, beauty, talent, fame, money, refinement, top skill and brain. But all the things you try to hide will be revealed on the other side.
You are afraid of me.
You're a fucking madman.
You were afraid of what I can do, the mess I can create in this costume of yours.
Remember the gramophone in Vienna?
You threw my grandmother's gramophone out of the window from the 6th floor.
The crash was spectacular.